Hey guys, what's up? So today I have a couple items from Adams Polishes. So recently they had this mystery bucket sale. I decided to pick one of those up, including a couple other items for my car, and then they also sent me a collaboration that they did with a company a while back right here. So I'll show you guys what this is later in the video. But first off, I'm gonna unbox what I got in my mystery bucket because I'm pretty excited about this. So I got the 5-gallon bucket right here. It came with the seat cover lid. So first off, this wasn't part of the mystery bucket. I picked up the new trim restorer kit. So it came with coating prep, an 8-ounce bottle of tire and rubber cleaner, black trim restorer, and it also came with this applicator and some microfiber towels. Next, I picked up some wheel cleaner because I wasn't sure if I was going to get it in the mystery bucket and I just needed some wheel cleaner for my car, so I can't wait to use that. Here's the receipt. They threw in this little brochure or booklet that shows you all the cleaning products that they sell. Alright, so moving on to the mystery bucket, they sent me some borderless gray plush towels. They also sent me a double soft polishing towel. This looks extremely soft and I can't wait to use it. They sent me a premium microfiber wash sponge. It's actually pretty nice. It says Adams Polishes on the front. They sent me some undercarriage spray. I got some car shampoo. I'm really excited to use this because right now I use Chemical Guys Snow Foam, and I've never used Adams products before, so I can't wait to try it out. Some carpet and upholstery cleaner. They sent me some H2O garden gloss. I got another bottle of tire and rubber cleaner. This is the 16-ounce. And then I got some detailing spray, which I am really excited to use. Okay, so moving on to the next package. This is the collaboration with Anti-Social Social Club. I got really lucky. I had no idea that Adams Polishes even made a collaboration with Anti-Social Social Club. And I pretty much messaged them saying, damn, I wish I was able to cop some of that because I didn't know that they had that collab and it happened a year ago. So I was really lucky. The guy DM'd me back and he was like, send me your address, I like your Instagram. So I ended up getting the collaboration and I'm really excited to show you guys what I picked up. So first off, I have 3 spray heads. They're pink and white for the Anti-Social Social Club colors. They sent me the Tire Shine and it's all pink. It's this nice bubblegum pink, and up here it just says Adams Polishes and then Anti-Social Social Club. Next, I got some detailing spray. So just like the regular Adams Polishes detailing spray, actually the Anti-Social Club one is a little bit more pink than the regular one. I didn't know that. I don't know if you guys can pick that up on camera, but yeah, got the detailing spray. They sent me some glass cleaner, and I love how pink this is. Pink is one of my favorite colors, and I love how bubblegum pink this kind of is. And then they sent me a double soft polishing towel. And this isn't part of the Anti-Social collab, but it's a really soft towel. I'm actually surprised. So anyways, that's my haul video from Adams Polishes. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know down below what you guys thought of the Anti-Social collab. I actually think it's pretty sweet that Adams did a collaboration with them. But yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace.